This is a tutorial for using Streamlining community service process at FIU. It's a mobile application for an iPhone called FIU Gives. It's very user-friendly and very intuitive to use. The application supports only one type of user. After you launch the application, you see the login and sign up screen. If you haven't signed up for using the application, you click on sign up and you get the fields to complete. They all have placeholders indicating what information is required. If you already have an account, you click on login and you log in using your email. If you happen to forgot your password, you can click on forgot password link. You'll get a message saying you should receive a reset password email shortly. If you enter your password incorrectly, you'll get the following message. So after you log in, you see the events calendar, which is the first tab. It shows all of the events available in chronological order. You can click on any of the events and see the information for the events, such as start and end time, events address, events description. If you have already RSVP'd the event, you'll see the cancel button. So you can click cancel and your RSVP is going to be canceled. If you haven't RSVP'd, you'll see the RSVP button, which you can click to RSVP to an event. If you have RSVP'd to an event, it will show in My Events calendar. All you have to do is click on the date and you'll see the events that you have RSVP'd to on this date. Going back to the events tab, from here you can add a new event. You have to click the plus button and you'll get a blank form. Each of the text fields has the placeholder indicating what information is expected for that field. You can set the event's capacity to be unlimited, or you can set the event capacity to be whatever you want. We use the date picker for selecting the start and end date. You can select the start date and the end date cannot precede the start date. The event also has to end on the same date that it started. You can select the event category from the list of preset categories. If none of them matches your choice, you can choose other. All of the fields are mandatory to complete. If you're trying to click save without filling out all of the fields, you'll get an error message saying that event has not been created. After you completed all of the fields, you click on save, or you can click back button at any point if you wish to cancel, and you're taken back to the events calendar view. To edit the events that you created, you have to click on edit events and you get the list of all the events that you created. You simply click on the event that you choose to edit and you'll get this view. So although you won't be able to edit or change event's name. Here, once you start editing the event, you'll see that save button popping up. You can either click save after you finish filling out the information, or you can just go back to edit events if you wish to cancel. My profile information shows all of the information that you fill out when signing up for an application. For using the application, you can always edit any of that information. Let's say I want to edit my name. Here, it shows new information right away. And the last tab is the map tab. It shows all of the events pinned to the map relative to your location. So as you can see, your location is shown as a blue dot in the middle of the map. You can click on any of the pins and you'll see event's name, date, and time popping up. You can click on the search bar and you'll get this date picker, which allows you to filter events by date. You can cancel and go back to the previous view, or you can select the date for which you wish to map the events. Click map, and here you go, only the events that happened on July 31st are mapped. And that's about it. Thank you very much.